this is the state of some properties where if your creek that is in front of the property is not done right, what you're left with is just sitting duck. You can see that water coming down the hill is forcing its way, and especially if you're driving a vehicle that is got to get on top of this and this little gully onto the blacktop here, going to submerge the vehicle in that gully. So it's pretty bad. So it's definitely something to be worked on and repaired, and before even crazier storms come through. You never know what's going to come through April, the month of April. April showers, right? Can bring some disaster. Who knows? All right, shalom. Best is yet to come.